Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Update iOS if prompted and keep battery above 10%. Unstable power can block services. Next, open settings and enable location services and Find My. These are the foundations. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because location sharing uses your account. Once done, toggle Share My Location on under Find My. Doing these first avoids wasted troubleshooting and prepares your device for the detailed steps that follow. Now address app-level conflicts. Go to Settings, pick each app, Messages, Find My, Contacts, and allow precise location access. You need precise permission for live sharing. Coarse location won't work. Then force quit the apps and reopen them to reset cache states. If sharing still fails and you see network errors, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi and cellular conflicts that often block location updates. Make sure to reconnect to known networks afterwards so services can re-establish connections. Finish by testing. Send your location to a trusted contact and confirm they receive live updates. If it still shows unavailable, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or reboot the iPhone. This often resolves account token glitches. If problems persist, back up and restore your device to eliminate software corruption. As a final troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, contact Apple support with diagnostics, collect time, error messages, and recent changes to speed diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.